Organizing your references and creating groups. The References panel in the center displays a multi-column list of your references. You can rearrange the column headings by dragging them to the left or right. Also, click a column heading to help organize your references, for example, by year, by journal, so you can see which articles come from a particular journal, or by author. Toggle as appropriate. However, if you wish to organize your references in a more meaningful way, you can place them into groups. To create a group, click Groups from the menu options at the top of the screen and select Create Group. In the Groups panel on the left, give the group a name. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to create the group. To add references to your group, simply select the references you wish to add to the group, then drag and drop them into your group. Alternatively, select Groups from the menu options at the top of the screen and choose Add References To and select a group. Click on the group title in the Groups panel to view the references in the group. You can rename or delete a group by clicking on the group title to highlight it. Then select the Groups option from the menu at the top of the screen, or simply right-click using your mouse. Remember to select All References in the Groups panel on the left to view all the references in your EndNote library. All References displays all the references in your library. Unfiled contains the references that are not yet part of your custom groups. Trash contains references that have been deleted but not yet permanently discarded.